Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the inner oven door glass for this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door, then use the flathead screwdriver to help rotate the hinge locks forward. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the door handle. With the screws unthreaded, set the handle aside. Next, unthread the four bottom screws, securing the inner door panel assembly to the outer door panel. Separate the inner panel assembly from the outer panel. Now unthread the upper screw, securing the right side hinge to the inner panel. Unthread the two lower screws securing the hinge, and fully remove the hinge. Repeat to remove the left side hinge. Flip the inner panel assembly over and unthread the two screws securing one of the airwash glass mounting brackets. Set the bracket aside and remove the glass. Now unthread the two screws to release the other mounting bracket. Unthread the 8 screws securing the retaining panel. Set the panel aside. If you're replacing the middle door glass, you can lift it out of the frame if still intact. Otherwise, lift out the glass and frame, and you can remove the inner door glass. To install the new inner oven door glass, align it in the inner door panel. If required, reposition the frame and insert the middle door glass. Realign the retaining panel. And secure it by rethreading all 8 screws. Realign one of the air wash glass brackets and secure it with the screws. Reposition the air wash glass in the bracket. Then align the second bracket and secure it with the screws. Flip the inner door panel assembly over. Realign one of the door hinges. Then thread the two lower screws and the upper screw to secure the hinge. Repeat to reinstall the opposite hinge. With the hinges in place, realign the inner door assembly with the outer door panel. Rethread the 4 bottom screws. Make sure the top edge of the assembly is accessible. Then insert the door handle screws. Align the handle and thread the screws into the handle to secure. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position. Then rotate the hinge locks back. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.